Einmal Döner mit alles. Turkish cuisine is peak, not even a question. But imagine you're craving it at 3 a.m. when all the Döner shops are closed. And that is why I am testing supermarket Döner. This is the Döner bag. Delicious and easy. Chicken Döner baguette. $2.69. Let's taste it. Bake it, cut it open, and you can see chicken and cabbage. This does remind me of a spring roll, to be honest. I wouldn't be able to tell that this is a Döner. Let's taste it. It tastes nice, but it does not really taste like Döner at all. And that's not because of the chicken. There's plenty of meat in there as well. This one is a classic dürüm to go for $2.99. Let's taste it. I can see some red cabbage in there. Can't really see the meat, but it looks like a bit of sauce as well. Let's give it a go. It's just some goo in there. It doesn't taste bad, but it's not really the texture I was looking for. This one is called Döner Back with chicken and herb sauce. 400 grams and you'll get it for €5. Quite expensive, but let's taste it. Very funny shaped. Can this stop my 3 a.m. cravings? Let's see. Now this does look better than I had anticipated. You can actually see kebab meat in there. I can see cabbage, onions. Let's give this a taste. The meat is juicy, it's delicious. It doesn't get close to an actual fresh Döner. I like this. Very, very small, but there's even tomato in there. For me, it's missing the corn, I'm gonna be real. Alright, this is really good, but €5, I don't know if I want to pay that. So, let's try my last option. Now, I saw lahmacun at the store, so I had an idea. Why don't I combine it with some frozen kebab? Lahmacun, 1/3 of the frozen kebab meat, salad, parsley and a little bit of lime juice, and you'll still stay under €5. If this had some sauce, perfect. You can tell the meat is really cheap. But all in all, this does really taste good. Now who is the winner? Taste-wise, it's definitely the Döner Back. But considering the price, I'm going to go with the lahmacun roll. Now, what should I try next? Any ideas? Put them down below in the comments. Give this video a like and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!
Şehrin ışıkları yakıyor, kalbim sana doğru.